Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is empower. Let's discover what this inspiring word means. Empower means to give someone the confidence, ability, or authority to do something successfully. It is often used when talking about education, leadership, teamwork, and personal growth. Here's an example. Great teachers empower their students to become confident and independent learners. This means they help students develop the knowledge, confidence, and skills they need to succeed. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word empower? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.